Hi students, in this video we will discuss a selection sort technique. How the elements are sorted by using selection sort technique. Step 1. So find the smallest element. Find smallest element present in the array. After finding the smallest element, now swap smallest and the first element present in the array. Next, third step, find second smallest element. Find second smallest element in the array and then swap second smallest and second element in the array. So like that we will repeat the process. So for all the elements or for and depending on your array size. Okay, now let us start with an example. How to solve the elements using insertion sort technique. For example, the elements are 18, 25, 36, 24, 19. For example, so if this is the array, how to solve the elements? Step 1. Smallest element in there. What is the smallest element in the array? So the first smallest element in the array is 18 is the smallest element and first element is also 18 only. So no need to swap. So this element is already placed in the correct position. So write the remaining elements 36, 24 and 19. Now in second step, find the next smallest element. Don't consider this one. Why? Because this is already placed in the correct position. So consider only the remaining n-1 elements. From this remaining n-1 elements, find the smallest element. Which one is the smallest? 19 is smallest. So what is the second element? 25. So 25 and 19 are swapped. So 18, 19. So 25 will come to this position. These two elements are as it is, 36 and 24. Now in the second iteration, so first two smallest elements are placed in the correct position. Now from these remaining elements, here left over n-1 and here n-2. From this n-2 elements, next smallest element. This is the smallest element. So what is the third element? 36. So now swap these two. So then 18, 19, this 24 will come to this position now. 24, 36, 25. Now these three elements are placed in the correct position. Now find out the next smallest element in this array. That means remaining n-3 elements. So now this is the smallest element. So swap these two, 18, 19, 24, 25, which is placed in the correct position. Now 36. Now what happened here? In the next iteration, only one element is there. So finding smallest element, swap with the same element, no need. So finally the sorted array is, so 18, 19, 24, 25, 36 is the sorted array by using selection sort technique. Hope you understand the selection sort technique. Thank you students. Have a great day. Bye bye.